If your voice conversation is not working on ChatGPT, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your microphone working again and start using voice chat normally. This is a super common issue, and in most cases, it only takes a few minutes to solve. So if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick ChatGPT tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is allow microphone access in your browser. If ChatGPT can't hear you, the browser may be blocking the mic permission. To fix that, open ChatGPT in your browser and look at the address bar. Next to the website address, click the Site Information icon. This is usually the little lock icon or settings icon. Once you click it, look for microphone permissions and make sure microphone access is enabled for ChatGPT. If it says blocked, change it to Allow. This step alone fixes the problem for a lot of users because the browser needs permission before voice chat can work properly. After that, go ahead and check your system microphone settings. Sometimes the browser permissions are fine, but your computer itself is not allowing the microphone to work. If you're on Windows, open your settings and go to the Sound or Privacy section, then make sure your microphone is enabled and that the correct input device is selected. If you're on Mac, open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Microphone, and make sure your browser has access. Also check your input volume and make sure the mic you actually want to use is selected as the default device. If the wrong microphone is chosen, ChatGPT may not detect your voice at all. Once you've checked both the browser and system settings, the next step is to refresh the page. Sometimes ChatGPT just needs a fresh reload to recognize the updated permissions. Close the current tab or simply reload the page, then reopen the ChatGPT website and try voice conversation again. This can clear temporary glitches and force the browser to reconnect to your microphone correctly. If it still doesn't work, the next thing to try is another browser. Not every browser handles voice features the same way, and some browsers have better support than others. For the best results, use Chrome or Edge because they tend to work most reliably with ChatGPT voice features. If you're already using one browser and it's failing, switching to another one often solves the issue right away. Also, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version, because outdated browsers can create compatibility problems with microphone access and real-time voice features. If your microphone still isn't working after all of that, try unplugging and reconnecting your external mic, or test with your built-in microphone to see whether the issue is with the device itself. You can also close other apps that might be using the microphone, because sometimes another program has control of the audio input and blocks ChatGPT from accessing it. So just to recap, first, allow microphone permission in the browser, then check your computer's mic settings, then refresh the ChatGPT page, and finally try Chrome or Edge if needed. In most cases, one of these fixes will get voice conversation working again. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy ChatGPT fixes, AI tips, and step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.